Welcome back to today's video. So today I'm doing a fun little review on a new collection I just got in the mail from Colourpop. It's called Wish You Were Here, and I just thought it was cute because there's eyeshadow palettes, there's highlighters, blushes, there's some lip products. So we're gonna test it all out together. This is the look that I came up with, and I'm gonna share with you guys all my thoughts. And yeah, let's just get on into it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that little bell to get notified when I upload, and let's roll to the tutorial. We have 3 palettes in the collection. This first one is Daydreaming, which is more like purpley tones. Corally colors. This is called Weekend Mood. Are, I guess, like coppery brown colors. This one's called The Feels. I love the fonts and the cute little like graphics on all the packaging, or like the outer packaging. Daydreaming is definitely more cool toned. I also really like this one, The Feels, and I can't decide which one to use. I'm really stuck right now. I'm gonna go into Daydreaming, which is that more purpley toned palette. I did already put primer on my eyes, and I'm gonna take this shade, which is called City Lights. There is some shimmer in there. It's not like fully matte, but I am gonna use this to set over my entire eye. See the shimmer in this when you put it on. It's really pretty. I don't think I have a shade like this that's like a matte color and then has this really pretty silver sparkle in it. I don't know if it will really pick up on camera, but in person you can really see it. And it's not just an overspray, it goes throughout the entire shadow. A little messy, it will fall down your eyes. We're gonna build up that crease. So I'm gonna go in first with this shade Big Goals, which is this one right here. It's like a kind of taupey, matte taupe color. And I'm just gonna put that right into, also don't mind my hair right now. I just literally have it in a ponytail, but I will fix it at the end so you guys can actually get a better idea of what everything looks like. I feel like I rarely wear my hair up in videos. Like, it's a very rare occurrence because I feel like you need to see like the makeup and like my hair done for it to be like a full look. I don't know. That's just always what I've thought. However, I have been really into lately these slick back buns. I think they're just so pretty, and like throw on like a chunky hoop and you're good to go. Like, you look really put together. Into the shade Good Days on the outer corner. Hopefully you guys still like watching makeup reviews and looks. Obviously I don't do them nearly as much as I used to. I feel like I've gotten definitely a little more lifestyle, but when I get fun stuff like this in PR, I love to review it because I have the opportunity to review an entire collection. Like, to get PR from Colourpop is honestly so cool. And of course, I'm gonna give you guys, as always, for the past 12 years, my honest opinion. Just because someone sends something in PR doesn't mean nothing. So I will always tell you guys what I think. It's just nice to get stuff in the mail because then I can do a full like video review on something that I may not have gotten the chance to review before. This is blending out pretty good. I'm kind of just working it, really working it in. Minute since I have worn cool tones. I'm usually in warm tones. Cool tones to me are a little more wintry. Like, I feel like this look is going to be a little bit more wintry and we're like in the middle of summer. But yeah, also obsessed with the color of this top. It's so a Barbie neon pink. I got it at Five Below like a couple months ago and I just love it. This color on the lid, it's called Dream Vacay. That one right there. I am gonna wet my brush and then put that on my lid. My brush is wet and I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. Okay, that is such a pretty color. It complements those other purple shades we put on really well. It's not like my favorite palette ever. I think just because I'm like not completely obsessed with cool tones, but it is really pretty. Then I'm just gonna take a little bit of this shade Cloud 9. It's like one of those really fun duochrome kind of colors. And I'm gonna put that right in the center, just using my finger. I'm like hoping that this doesn't look like I have a black eye. It's the vibe I'm getting right now. I don't know how much I love this eye look, but we're gonna keep going because here we are. I want to take a little bit of, oh, this color is actually really pretty, Nights in Paris. It has that same really pretty silver sparkle, and I'm just gonna put that underneath the eye with a angled brush. RIP to my contacts with all these sparkles, you guys. This mascara from What's Up Beauty. It's an indie beauty brand. How cute is the packaging? It's very also like heavy, like it feels very high-end, and it has like the raised lettering. A natural bristle and then a silicone bristle on the other side, so you're supposed to use both. So I'm gonna use the natural one first. I did already curl my lashes, and then I will go in with the other side. So it's supposed to be like a combo to make your lashes long and voluminous, which I think is pretty cool that they came up with that concept. Flip over to this rubber bristle side. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I'm gonna go over okay, one side done. I'm gonna do the other side off camera. Guys, my air fryer is on in the back. Hopefully it's not too loud. Is in this collection. So there's quite a few of the pressed powder blushes. So this one is Wish Me Luck. This one is Morning Vibes. And this one is deeper. This one's called Cosmopolitan. Right. Deciding which one I want to use. I'm probably gonna lean towards this one, which is Morning Vibes, because I feel like it goes pretty good with the look. It's like a peachy kind of color, which I always love a peach blush. So, ooh, that's pretty. This blush applies really nicely. Pretty color, my gosh, very flattering. Guys, I missed a blush. This one's called Dancing Queen. I knew I was missing one. That one's really pretty too. Then we have 4 of the pressed powder highlighters. I will show you guys. Gold 9. This one is Vanilla Bean. This one is Moon Dust. This is a more true gold. It's probably gonna be too dark for me. And this one is a pink called Spotlight, which is really pretty. Try these Vanilla Bean and Spotlight. Pretty, it's like a frosty pink. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Princess highlighter, because it just makes you feel like a pretty little dainty princess, because it's pink. Swatches like Vanilla Bean. This one's more a true white. Okay, I did add a little bit of bronzer and I did do my nose contour, but I really liked those highlighters. Oh, I also added a little bit of Vanilla Bean to my nose highlight. And let's see, I'll add a little bit to like the forehead. A lip scrub and a lip mask. This is in, I think it's just like strawberry. Does it say strawberry? Yeah, strawberry lip scrub. So I do need to do a lip scrub right now. So let's go ahead and try this out. I don't think I've really tried anything from Fourth Ray Beauty. It smells absolutely heavenly. Like, oh, I could eat this. Oh, I'm not even exaggerating. This might be the most intoxicating strawberry scent ever. They should make this into a fragrance, because holy stinking cow. Oh my gosh, this makes me want to have like a strawberry shortcake dessert right now. It's so good. Really, really moisturizing too. Wow. Of the matching strawberry lip mask. This is an overnight mask, but we're just gonna put this on before any lip product. A good lip mask. Like, I don't have any more Laneige, so hopefully this will replace that for me. There are 3 of the ultra blotted lips in this collection. I don't know if I've tried these before, like this formula. I'm a little behind. This one is called Running Late. This one is called Double Down, like a berry. This one is called Jet Setter, which is more nude. Obviously, I'm probably gonna like that one the best. And this one's more like a pinky mauve. It's called Made You Look. Liner, I'm gonna go ahead and put on one of my favorites, BFF2. And this is Colourpop. I'm really gonna impress everyone at Wally World today with my makeup. That's where I'm going after this. Lip liner's on, and I'm gonna go for Jet Setter. I knew I was gonna go for that super nude color. So here it is. I think this is like a matte. Am I making that up? Weird putting on something that's not a pink nude because I always lean towards the pinks. Pink. Have to do my hair still, but I knew I was not gonna be crazy about the eyes. I just don't love cool tones, you guys. I don't know what it is. I don't feel as like confident in cool tones, but I really like the face, like the blush and the highlighter and the bronzer. Yeah. Oh, and I love the lip scrub and the lip mask. Dry body oil, and it looks really pretty. It says shake it, massage it into your skin, or buff with a body brush. Apply to shoulders, arms, and legs. Want to glow. So I'm gonna shake this up. How pretty is that? Okay, so oh my gosh, it literally just ran down my shirt. Okay. Ooh, it smells fabulous. It smells like coconuts. You guys, this is very liquidy, so be careful. We got some nice sparkle. I have a Wet n Wild one from the Lilo and Stitch collection. That's a little bit deeper than this. It's a little bit more intense. Now you can see, like, if I go like this, of that glow, which is nice. I would like wear this to the beach, or like if I was going to like an outdoor concert or event or something. Okay guys, I'm gonna go fix up my hair and I will reveal to you guys the final look. Okay guys, I am back and I wanted to share with you the final results of the look I created with the new Colourpop Wish You Were Here collection. So I just threw a couple of curls in my hair and it made me definitely like makeup more. Again, I don't know what it is, but I like have to have my hair done to like try to appreciate a look better. But yeah, I still not obsessed with the cool tone eyes. I just don't love it on me. This lip color is actually really pretty. It's not, of course, my personal go-to, but it's nice to switch it up and do something different. This is like actually a good fall nude lip option. And I really loved the highlighters and the blushes. The lip scrub and the lip mask were out of this world, like so good. I thought the eyeshadow palette was good. I wasn't like completely obsessed with it. I thought it was just okay. It wouldn't be one that I like reach for constantly. So yeah, that's kind of my overall thoughts on the collection. I thought it was really cute. I think I like the face products the most. Most like the blush, the highlighter, and then like I said, the lip scrub was amazing. If you guys enjoyed this look, let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna be picking anything up from this collection. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.